Coming up on this episode, we heckle a moose.
Get some bigger horns, Bullwinkle.
Right before we gather some eggs.
2 eggs.
Then we get up close and personal.
Less than 6 feet away.
And stare danger in the face. Does that look not send shivers down your spine? So we can observe its eating habits. Then we do something really silly.
Alright, I'm gonna try and find a better spot.
We get the brilliant idea to follow it around the yard. Stupid, stupid, stupid.
Uh-oh.
We might even find some mushrooms along the way.
I found some mushrooms.
All in 4K.
Red receipts.
Only on the Gnomestead channel. Let's roll!
So, I'm heading out here to get eggs. Look who's back.
Nomies, right now I can't stress enough. Do not try this at home. These guys are big and dangerous and will stomp the out of you. So, I'm a trained professional. And a moron. If you're gonna do it, go to the neighbors. Here's a fun fact. Gnomies, did you know that the moose sheds its antlers every single year? That's right. Come January, February, when the snow gets super deep, they get them things off their head. I'd want to. And then come spring, they start growing back bigger and better. You know what? It's all to impress the ladies. In case you didn't know, now you know.
We are less than 6 feet away.
Now I know most of you are all saying to yourself, Nomi, why are them antlers all red? You know what? I'm glad you asked. Well, the reason is, all summer long as them antlers grow and get bigger and bigger, they're covered in a nice thin layer of skin that's got all kinds of fuzzies on it, just like velvet. And when the antlers are done growing, that velvet sheds right off. Because it had all kinds of blood vessels in it for giving them antlers all kinds of nutrients, well, they're red for a little bit, till they all dry out. It's all good. Speaking of velvet, if you look real close right there, you'll see a piece hanging off that antler. There you go. Now you know. Gnomies, right there, we're staring death in the face. Did I mention this guy'll stomp the donkey out of you just as soon as look at you? Yeah, he will. Does that look not send shivers down your spine? Oh. No, did you see them two little ears on top of their heads swinging around to and fro? Well, they ain't just swatting mosquitoes. Them things are like two little radar dishes, swinging around getting all kinds of information of what's going on. Come out. Did you see that? Look close. I think you missed it. Did you see that ear move when the neighbor yelled? All right, one more time, close up. You had to see that. I told you, they're like little radar dishes. As soon as the neighbor yelled, that ear right there swung around to see what was going on. Those things are as powerful as a bloodhound's nose, times 2. They work independently. There you go. Now you know. Back to the video.
What do you think of that? Pretty damn cool, huh? I don't think we can get any closer. Now that he's moving away. But is that not a beautiful moose? That's so freaking cool. Alright. See if I can check some eggs here without spooking the moose.
Gnomies, I feel it's time once again to remind you, do not try this at home. I am a trained professional and an idiot. I'm out here without much protection, just a couple little trees, and it ain't smart. But I'm doing it for you, the people, so my Gnomies don't have to. So the least you could do, smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed, and if you care, please share. Now, back to the video.
Well, there you go. Eating his way off into the sunset. We'll get some bigger horns, Bullwinkle. So freaking cool.
Don't go anywhere yet, Gnomies. We're still stalking this bad boy. And we may find some mushrooms along the way.
Yeah, he's still over there. I found some mushrooms. Red receivers. Not edible. Okay, we're here for moose. I don't know if I can get close like I was before. He's done playing for today. That's so cool.
Never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes the existing model obsolete.
I'm a Gnomie, he's a Gnomie, she's a Gnomie, you're a Gnomie, wouldn't you like to be a Gnomie?
Put your comment down on the bottom.
Click the subscribe down on the bottom, click the like button,
Down on the bottom.
make a comment,
Down on the bottom.
peace out.